Congratulations, Dane and Janelle. You've just come into a large sum of money. This is an exciting time filled with possibilities and dreams. But amidst all the excitement, it's crucial to stay grounded and think clearly. The first thing you need to do is take a moment to breathe. Let the reality of your new situation sink in. It's important to stay calm and composed. Next, keep it a secret. Yes, you heard that right. The fewer people who know about your windfall, the better. Don't rush to tell everyone you know. Sharing this news can lead to unwanted attention and pressure. The fewer people who know, the better. This isn't about being secretive for the sake of it, but about protecting your newfound fortune. Why? Because everyone will have advice on how you should spend your money. Some of it might be good, but a lot of it will be overwhelming and conflicting. Some may even ask for a loan or gift. This can put you in a difficult position, especially if you're not ready to make such decisions. This can put a strain on your relationships. Keep it simple, keep it quiet. You need time to process this life-changing event. Take some time for yourself. Reflect on what this means for your future. You need to make a plan and figure out your next steps. Write down your thoughts, your goals, and your dreams. Use this time to create a roadmap for your future. Take a deep breath and keep your good fortune to yourself for now. Enjoy the moment, but don't rush into anything. Remember, this is your money and you get to decide what to do with it. You are in control of your destiny. Don't let anyone pressure you into making decisions before you're ready. Take your time. This is your journey, and you have the right to navigate it at your own pace. Now that you have some financial breathing room, it's time to tackle any debt you may have. Debt can feel like a heavy burden, but with a clear plan, you can overcome it. Paying off high-interest debt like credit cards should be a top priority. These debts can accumulate quickly and become overwhelming if not addressed promptly. This will free up more of your money each month, allowing you to allocate funds to other important areas of your life, such as savings or investments. Imagine the relief of not having those monthly payments hanging over your head. The sense of freedom and accomplishment is truly rewarding. You can finally start building a solid financial future. Setting clear financial goals is essential for long-term success. Make a list of all your debts, including interest rates. This will give you a clear picture of what you owe and help you prioritize. Then create a plan to pay them off systematically. Consistency and discipline are key to achieving your debt-free goals. Start with the highest interest debt first and then work your way down. This method ensures that you minimize the amount of interest you pay over time. This is called the debt snowball method, and it's a great way to stay motivated as you see your progress. Each small victory will keep you moving forward. Once you're debt-free, you can start focusing on other financial goals like saving and investing. Building wealth becomes much easier without the burden of debt. Remember, being debt-free is a wonderful feeling. It opens up new opportunities and gives you greater control over your financial future. It's like a weight lifted off your shoulders. Embrace the journey to financial freedom and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with it. Don't make any rash decisions like quitting your job or making big purchases. It's tempting to want to celebrate your newfound wealth, but it's important to stay level-headed. Keep your job, at least for now. Having a regular income will give you time to adjust to your new financial situation. It will also prevent you from making impulsive decisions that you might regret later. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Take the time to create a solid financial plan. This will help you make the most of your money and avoid common pitfalls. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Section 4. A team of experts. You don't have to navigate this alone. Seek out trusted professionals to guide you. You'll need a financial advisor, lawyer, and accountant. A financial advisor can help you create a personalized plan for your money. They can advise you on investments, retirement planning, and other financial goals. A lawyer can help you with estate planning and other legal matters. An accountant can help you manage your taxes and keep your finances in order. Having a team of experts on your side will give you peace of mind and help you make smart decisions with your money. Remember, it's important to find professionals you trust and feel comfortable working with. Section 5. Invest in yourself. One of the best investments you can make is in yourself. Use some of your money to improve your skills or pursue your passions. This could include taking courses, starting a business, or pursuing a degree. Investing in yourself will not only make you happier, but also potentially increase your earning power in the future. Consider what you've always wanted to do but couldn't afford before. This is your chance to pursue your dreams and live a more fulfilling life. Remember, education and personal growth are investments that will continue to pay off for years to come. Section 6. Enjoy your wealth. It's okay to enjoy some of your newfound wealth. After all, you've worked hard to get to this point, and it's important to celebrate your achievements. Treat yourself and your loved ones to something special, but do so within reason. Whether it's a fancy dinner, a weekend getaway, or a special gift, make sure it aligns with your overall financial goals. Set a budget for fun spending and stick to it. This way you can enjoy the fruits of your labor without jeopardizing your financial stability. Remember, the goal is to make your money last and create a secure future for yourself and your family. Financial planning is key to ensuring that your wealth benefits you in the long run. Consider experiences rather than material possessions. Experiences often bring more joy and lasting memories than things. Create memories that will last a lifetime. Travel, explore new places, and immerse yourself in different cultures. Spend time with loved ones, cherish those moments, and build strong relationships. And give back to your community. Volunteering and helping others can bring a sense of fulfillment and purpose. These are the things that truly matter in life. Happiness and contentment often come from the connections we make and the joy we share with others. Remember, true wealth is about more than just money. It's about health, happiness, and a sense of well-being. It's about living a fulfilling and meaningful life, one where you feel content and at peace with your choices. Enjoy your good fortune, but do so responsibly and with an eye toward the future. Plan wisely, live joyfully, and make the most of every moment.